beset on all sides by idiots.
Hey y'all, we're just gonna try one today. We got this little alien. I tried my best to make a sand casting of it. It was the best I could do, but that doesn't mean it's gonna be good enough. Had a lot of sand pull out around the area. Anyway, like I said, I tried my best. Hopefully it's good enough. It may not be. That's why I'm showing you what it looks like now, because you might not be able to recognize it when it comes out of the mold. And we got this crappy Chinesey crucible here. You can tell it's wearing out. I'm hoping I can catch it right below here instead of up here. So hopefully I can get another heat out of it and I don't lose all this silver. So let's put this in the furnace and get it fired up. I always got to make sure the pour spout is facing a certain direction so I know how to pick it up, because when these things are glowing orange, it's hard to tell where the pour spout is. So it's best to put it in there in such a way that you know how it's situated. Let's fire this thing up and pour some silver. Gotta get you in place here real quick. Well, we don't fall again. Alright, best I can do. This one's a silver, we already poured it. This one's a sugar skull. One of these is a turtle that probably didn't come out very well, and the other one's a YouTube bar. Oh, well, told you need a couple of clamps. It is what it is. Yeah, I can see copper. That's not good. Who left that plastic bag there? That was a piss poor idea. I don't know. Sugar skull! Da 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 da! Lots of flashing, but we'll be able to deal with that. This one must be the YouTube bar. Turtle! Turtle, turtle, turtle. Can you see the turtle? It even looks like a turtle. Oh my goodness. I don't know, that foot don't look that great, does it? Oh well, good first attempt. YouTube, remember to like, share, and subscribe. This thing's on fire. Let me put it back down. All right. It's not horrible, was it? Oh, we didn't look at the silver one, did we? That's the most important one. The feet didn't come out. Oh well. Can't have everything. I'm gonna get my other glove on and get this stuff cleaned up. I don't know, that might be salvageable. Get the sand off her eyeball. Man, this silver's hard. I mean, goodness. YouTube bar looks okay. I'm sure that red hot sprue will be perfectly fine next to that tank of compressed flammable gases. I don't see how that could be a problem. Alright, YouTube. There you go again. You alright? Well, when they come out of the water, I'll show them to you. I gotta clean this mess up.
But this is truly a one-of-a-kind thing, and the ref is probably wondering what wrong choices he made in his life to get here. But the fight begins, and, yeah.
Well, there's the YouTube bar. There's the sugar skull. It's a little bit more textured surface than I'd care for, but hopefully they improve. Turtle came out pretty good. I like the shine on it. How you doing, Smut? You can read Hong Kong on the bottom if you look close enough. I didn't cut the sprue off as close as I could because you see that? That side's supposed to look the same way. So there's some right there flashing I couldn't cut out. So I'll probably end up just keeping that one and trying to make better ones for my customers. But yeah, there we go. Holler at y'all later.